Okay, welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Today we have this car here, and the problem of this car is water getting to front SAM control module. Front SAM control module is here. This is the old one. It have water getting to it, and it's messed up. It's not good. If you open here, you're gonna see water, and the water damaged the circuit. So I'm not going to go to the detail of this one, but I'm just trying to give you some information about after you put anything in this car, the customer already put everything, program it, the technician programmed the car, but the car doesn't want to crank. This is a front control module. I believe there is another one in the back, which is rear SAM module. It's here. And all of them, when you change them, you have to code them, you have to program them. Programming is okay, no problem. Till now we are good. But we have one thing that I need to talk about it. Whenever you program it, okay, now let's see if we can crank the car. I'm gonna put the ignition on. Okay. The battery is dead, right? Okay, see here? We're cranking, there is nothing. No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's crank, but there is nothing. You see, we cannot crank it. The reason is not because something else wrong, but this module, this one here, is upgradable. It's not the same as this one. So, what I'm trying to say is, whenever you buy it, try to, when you buy this module, ask the dealer to give you the adapter. There is a small adapter, and this is the part number for it. And inside is something like this. It's just a little wire. If you can do this yourself, you don't need to buy. So if you can do this one yourself, you don't need to buy one. But the part number is here. Write it down. Do not come out from the Oro part without having this piece. Now, here is what's gonna happen. Hold this one like this. What you need to do is, you're gonna, before you put, there is two connectors that you have to use them. Look at this side here, and in this side you're gonna see this white connector. This white connector here. Take it out, and also take this one. See this one here? I may need help too. Can you help me take it out?
The yellow one?
Yeah, the yellow one. So we're gonna use. Okay, now you're gonna take this two here. Yeah, you're gonna take this two connector here, and look at this. You see here, the pin number 12. Pin number 12. You have to put this one here on pin number. You're gonna see 12 here. Just put number 12 here. Be sure that you put it the right way. The right way is supposed to be like this. Okay? Put this number 12. And here, also look for pin number 4. Be sure you put it the right way, or number 5. But I gotta be sure which one. Just give me 1 minute. I gotta look at my data here, because I remember. Don't make mistake. Just give me 1 minute. Do not leave the shop without having the auto part, without having that piece in your hand. We compose that one. Now we continue on this white connector. I said these two connectors have to come out. One here, when you look at it, you're gonna see it is empty, and that is 12. Pin 12, you're gonna see 12 empty. On the row that they have a red wires, you know, red wire, empty. You're gonna stick this connector here, and then you're gonna stick this one. You're gonna stick this one. You're gonna turn the clip on your right hand. You see here, this clip is only one clip here. The clip here. Then you look at it. Number 4, which is here. Number 4 is here. So I'm gonna put this one here. And number 4. Be sure just to put it the right way. Okay, I gotta be sure where the right way. Okay, it's gonna be like this. Number 4 is going this way. This is the pin. Gonna be this way and go inside. Be sure that's the right way. I just want to be double check. That is number 4. See? Clip in. So you have it here. You have it here on this small wide one. On this small wide one, pin number 4. And on this one here, you're gonna jump it. Here is number 12. Please be advised, those two connectors, and they are available. You can see them. It's not far as soon as you take it. When you finish, one of them is getting in this area here, and one of them is here. You're gonna see the place white here. That's it. The car should start right away. So this is the modification of the upgrade of the front SAM module from this one here to this one here. Please take your time and do it carefully. After you finish, you know, like as usual, you just put it back on the same place that's supposed to be, and the car will start. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is Muhammad Idris. Please share, subscribe, and like, and see you in another video. C300.